Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this gorgeous unit that I received from Ashley Hair. Y'all, it is something about these curls. I mean, we're going to get into it. We're going to get into it. So as you can see, I like to just go ahead and show you the unboxing of the hair so you can see exactly how it came to me. It came with all of the goodies that you're going to need for installing this unit. And I love the fact that they gave a cute little robe with the package as well, as you'll see me wearing in the video. This unit is going to be their 13x6 full lace frontal wig. The inch that I have is 24 inches and this is 250% density. Y'all, I love me some thick hair, so this hair is definitely going to give all of that. Now this is again a full lace 13x6, so it gives you ample amount of parting space, which I love, to which I am going to create this deep side part with this unit. So just starting off camera, I did go ahead and prep my wig just a little bit, and the only prepping that I'm speaking of is just adding my foundation powder to the actual lace so that it can match my skin complexion as closely as possible. And as you see, this HD lace is amazing. It melted seamlessly. You'll see. Other than that, I don't have to bleach anything. It's already pre-plucked. The hairline is literally perfection. I'm going to show you how I get the wig and the hair in formation to get that look that you saw in the beginning of this video, as well as the thumbnail. So yeah, just enjoy this music and I'll be right back with the full review. Alright, you guys, and as you can see, this is going to be the finished look. I love it, y'all. I think what I love so much about this unit is the actual hairline of the unit. I feel like this just melted seamlessly. I didn't show you, but off camera I did add some of my foundation powder. You can do powder or you can do liquid. I did liquid, but I added some of the foundation that I have on to my actual lace. That way it matches my skin complexion the best as possible. I mean, when it comes to the lace, and even though they're invisible HD and all of that good stuff, everybody's skin color is different. Of course, even if you're brown skin, you can be a little darker or a little lighter. So for me, I like to just go in with what I wear on my face, which is my makeup. So with that, I definitely think it did a phenomenal job. And y'all, please excuse if you see my tongue blue. I just had some birthday cake, so I think that's the icing that's kind of like on my teeth and on my tongue, so excuse that. But yeah, I love this unit with the hairline, the fact that it is a little pre-plucked. I didn't have to go in and pluck it at all. The only thing you saw me pluck was the baby hairs right here before I went ahead and slicked them down. I'm trying a new method. Instead of putting powder on my parting, I put concealer. So I used the concealer that I usually go under my eye, a light concealer, and I did that in the parting area with a brush, and I actually like this better. To me, it kind of just opens up the part a lot more than actually using the powder. So I think I'm gonna stick with this method. The curls, I mean, get into the curls, y'all. They are literally everything. It didn't take too much to get them in formation. You saw the product that I did use on it. It's only 2 products on this hair, the foaming mousse and then the bio silk oil that I went in and put on my hands just to kind of loosen the curls up after they dried. And this is what we got, y'all. I'm loving this unit. I don't know if it's the curls or if it's the hairline or if it's the deep side part. This deep side part is definitely always going to be a go-to for me when it comes to curly hair. So yeah, I'll leave all of the information down in the description box below so you can get your hands on this unit. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for tuning to this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.